Hello and welcome back to Purpose Path TV Global. If you're planning to work as a nurse in Germany, Austria, or Switzerland, learning hospital vocabulary is one of the fastest ways to improve your German language skills. If you haven't watched part 1, I highly recommend watching it first because we covered the first 50 easy words every nurse must know. You can find it in the German for Nurses playlist on Purpose Path TV Global. In today's lesson, we'll learn 50 important German hospital words every nurse should know. Grab your notebook, repeat the words after me, and let's get started. Section 1. Hospital places. 1. Krankenhaus, hospital. 2. Station, ward. 3. Notaufnahme, emergency department. 4. Intensive station, intensive care unit. 5. Operationssaal, operating room. 6. Labor, laboratory. 7. Apotheke, pharmacy. 8. Reception, reception. 9. Ambulance, outpatient clinic. 10. Patientenzimmer, patient room. Section 2. Healthcare professionals. 11. Arzt, doctor. 12. Krankenschwester, female nurse. 13. Krankenpfleger, male nurse. 14. Patient, patient. 15. Chirurg, surgeon. 16. Apotheker, pharmacist. 17. Physiotherapeut, physiotherapist. 18. Hebamme, midwife. 19. Pflegehelfer, nursing assistant. 20. Rettungsanitäter, paramedic. Section 3. Medical equipment. 21. Thermometer, thermometer. 22. Blutdruckmessgerät, blood pressure monitor. 23. Spritzer, syringe. 24. Nadel, needle. 25. Verband, bandage. 26. Rollstuhl, wheelchair. 27. Krankenhausbett, hospital bed. 28. Infusion, IV drip. 29. Sauerstoff, oxygen. 30. Stethoscope, stethoscope. Section 4. Common medical terms. 31. Schmerz, pain. 32. Fieber, fever. 33. Husten, cough. 34. Erkältung, cold. 35. Allergy, allergy. 36. Infection, infection. 37. Verletzung, injury. 38. Krankheit, illness. 39. Diagnose, diagnosis. 40. Behandlung, treatment. Section 5. Nursing actions. 41. Helfen, help. 42. Untersuchen, examine. 43. Pflegen, care for. 44. Behandeln, treat. 45. Messen, measure. 46. Dokumentieren, document. 47. Beobachten, observe. 48. Informieren, inform. 49. Unterstützen, support. 50. Überwachen, monitor. Practice session. Let's quickly review 10 important words. 1. Krankenhaus, hospital. 2. Patient, patient. 3. Arzt, doctor. 4. Schmerz, pain. 5. Fieber, fever. 6. Infusion, I/V drip. 7. Sauerstoff, oxygen. 8. Behandlung, treatment. 9. Pflegen, care for. 10. Überwachen, monitor. Great job! Why these words matter. Many nurses focus only on grammar. But vocabulary is often the quickest way to start understanding conversations in hospitals. The more hospital-related words you know, the easier it becomes to communicate with patients and healthcare teams. Learning just 10 new German words every day can dramatically improve your confidence. Conclusion. Which of these German hospital words was new to you? Let us know in the comments. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to check out our German for Nurses playlist for more lessons designed specifically for healthcare professionals. This is Purpose Path TV Global, where faith, purpose, and opportunity connect. May God guide your journey and open doors of opportunity for you. See you in the next lesson.